Now today I'm going to discuss about the banking theory law and practice for second year BCom. What is bank? Bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loan. Banks may also provides financial services such as wealth management, currency exchange, and also uh, safe deposit. Currency exchange, you can exchange currency of foreign currencies, maybe America dollar. You can exchange in India itself, bank itself. You can convert to the rupees, and also you can deposits. Deposits is safety for you. Safe deposit available in banks, and also wealth management. You can manage wealth management should be because of the we are investing so many things through bank only. Okay, next one is service of banking. And types of banks, what are the service? Underwriting. Next, retail banking. Next, insurance banking, non life insurance banking, and also the relationship management. Next one is SMEs, small and medium enterprises. Small and medium enterprises, corporate banking, credit card also the bank will be given, risk management, claims, and also operation bank operations. A loan will be available, they will give loan to the customers. So many types of loans are there. They can get the loans, agriculture loan, like this jewel loan. So many loans will be given by the banks. Origin and development of banks. The history of banking history begin with the first prototype banks, which were the merchants of the world who save grain loan to farmers and traders who carried goods between cities. Development of banking spread from northern Italy throughout the Holy Roman Empire in the 15th and 16th century. In ancient India, there are evidences of loans from the Vedic period in India. Loans, the banks, they are giving loan started in the Vedic period. And licensing up, opening of branches. So many branches or new branches are opening. License, who will give the license to open the branches? Given by the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India may grant permission for opening new branch in so many towns. For example, if State Bank of India is opening so many branches in throughout India and also foreign countries, or transfer existing place for business, existing place for business. Okay, Reserve Bank of India may require to be satisfied by an inspection under section 35 of Banking Regulation Act. They will inspect to the banks, Reserve Bank of India inspect to for the purpose of transferring the branches, and new branches will be given. In the time of IFSC code will be given by the Reserve Bank of India, will sanction the IFSC code, not in the bank. IFSC code, one separate IFSC code will be given. Each and every bank should be given by RBI. Next, bank and customer relationship. Banker and customer relationship. What are the relationship? Debtor and creditor. And next one is pledger and pledgee, licensor and licensee, bailer and bailee, hypothecator and hypothecatee, trustee and beneficiary, agent and principal, advisor and client, other relationships. the role, importance and role of central bank. What are the importance, role of central bank? Issuing notes and coins. Notes means rupees and coins issued by the central bank are issuing notes, and also the credit control should be in the central bank. They control the credit of businessmen or persons, so those who are getting credit, they will control. Prevention and money value. They will give the money value of India, money value, right? Like this, each and every country money value should be there. Establishing government control should be there. Maintaining foreign exchange reserve, maintaining foreign exchange. So when foreign exchanges are there, they will reserve the foreign exchanges. Implementation of plan, will plan the implementation and control of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange control should be there by central government, central bank. Control of money market. Money market means there is the shares purchasing, dependents like this. And also equitable distribution of wealth. Wealth should be equitable distribution. Monitoring bank system should be monitoring, and creating employment. Employment given to the bank. They will give employment to the those who are working in the bank. They are the officers, cashiers, like this. They will give the full employment to each and every bank. Their employees should be there. They will give the salaries. Development to manpower. Development to manpower is, there is the employment opportunity will be given. Suitable distribution of wealth and development of living standard. Living standard should be developed. Because of the living standard here, the developing, because of the bank, they are giving the loans, so many things. For example, housing loans also given for the development of the persons. There the money will be given, correct, exactly. Now next one is types of customers in bank. So many customers are coming inside the bank. Like we are seeing that how many customers are coming. Minors are coming to open the bank for the purpose of school students to get the scholarship. They are coming and opening the banks. Like illiterates, those who are not having knowledge, they are having account in the bank, and also they are taking money or depositing money for like agriculturalist, agriculture. Some persons are illiterate, they will come and give it. In the time, those who are having in the staffs, they will help, or otherwise those who are coming, other customers will help them to fill the forms. Married women also coming, and like lunatics. Lunatics means those who are the mentally disordered persons. They are coming to the bank. And trustees are also coming to so many persons are having trust. They are also opening the account. For example, 10 or 20% having some trustees, they will open the account. In the time, they all will be signed in that. If you are watching, they are the partners. They like this. Okay. Executors and administrators also coming. Executors also come to the bank, or the administrators also come. Power of attorney should be given. Power of attorney holders. Power of attorney means, if a company businessman is running business, his owner will not go to the bank. In that time, some persons will be allotted, the staff will be allotted. They will give power of attorney, because they are giving their letter. This here in front of me, the staff is appointed for. He will get the amount loan, or he will get the amount to for the time of coming to the bank. Power of attorney. Next, functions of bank. What are the function? Primary functions: accepting deposit, saving deposit, fixed deposit, current deposit, recurring deposit, guaranteeing of loans and advances, overdraft, cash credits, loans, discontinuing of discounting of bill of exchange. Next, here is the saving accounts. Most of them are opening the saving accounts. It's not a problem. Fixed deposit is opening account for the purpose of for example 5 years or 10 years they will deposit. For example, 50,000 they are going to deposit in the amount. After minimum year is 7 years or 10 years, how many they will have the rules that in that time they will deposit will be double amount will be given. Okay, 50,000 means they will give 1 lakh rupees after the duration of the period. Current deposit will open to the businessman only, will have the current deposits. Current deposits accounts, they will businessman will come and open the account. Like recurring deposit, RD, recurring deposit for the future purpose, they will open the each and every whoever who need the recurring, they will open the RD, recurring deposit. The minimum amount is 100 rupees. You can more investment, even 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs also you can deposit in that one. Also this is a fixed amount. You will not get this amount in a near 1 year like this. Your deposit will be given for 10 years or 15 years. In that period only, after the 10 years or 15 years, they will put a bulk amount, they will receive the bulk amount. Granting of loans and advances. Overdraft means if you are doing business, your transaction is going on for 1 year or 2 years, 3 years. After 3 years, suddenly you need some amount, 1 crore amount, 1 crore of rupees you need. For example, you are having already transaction in 3 years more than 10-20 crores. You are in the based on the transaction, overdraft will be given to you. Okay, cash credits. Next, cash credits should be there. The credit will be given. Also, loans, you can get loans. So many types of loans is there. You can get the loan, like personal loan will be given based on the salary. And also business persons, they will get the business loan also given based on the, they will give some plan will be given. Based on the plan, the business loan will be given. Housing loans, housing will be given like this. Discounting of bill of exchange will be discounted and cash will be given. Overdraft, OD means if you want to pay the one university for amount of rupee 10,000 or 20,000 or your course fees, whatever it may be, overdraft, you will take the overdraft and send to the university. It's the use of the overdraft. Cash credits will be available. Credit loans and secondary function of bank. Agency functions. Agency will be there. So functions of the transfer of agents function, transfer of funds will transfer. Collection of checks will be collected for collection purpose. After the collection, they will give the amount, deposit the amount in the passbook after 2 or 3 days collection, after collection of the checks. Portfolio management means shares, debentures, like this. In portfolio management, the management will be portfolio management will be shares and debentures should be, you should open the bank account, then only you will do the business of the shares business, investment business. Periodic collections will be there. The employee of the one person will collect to the daily collection will be there for the purpose of doing business. Businessman who is getting loan, they will repay daily, day by day. Okay. General utility functions, issue of drafts, LC, etc. LC means letter of credit. Letter of credit is for the purpose of letter of credit is those who are exporting to other countries, goods exporting to other than India, other countries. In that time, you should get the LC. LC means if you give the LC, the buyer will given 50% of amount to the bank. After 50%, after reaching the goods, they will give the 50%. First, he should give 50% amount to the bank, then only goods will be sent to the other country, the exporter. Okay, so LC means letter of credit. Locker facility. Locker facility should be available in bank. For the purpose of not having sufficient facility in home, you can avail the locker facility any amount for deposit is 10,000 rupees, and yeah, the 10,000 rupees will be given to after the you can you are not willing to have a locker facility, they will you can get the fix the amount will be 10,000 will they will give. In the locker facility, they having the locker boxes will be given, you can and have the jewels or files, so many things you can have in locker facility. Underwriting of shares underwriting should be given by the bank only, bank underwriting of shares. Dealing in foreign exchange also dealing through bank only, foreign exchanges also there. The social welfare program given by the bank.